Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any new video. Guys, keep to without further ado, let us jump straightly into the tutorial. And this is your boy Dynasty Teto Shuraleff. Today we are going to be looking at this. We are going to be looking at this thing here. Do not forget to actually subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure that you hit the notification bell. We are going to be looking at 10 dangerous OS file extensions. Today we are going to be looking at 10 dangerous OS file extensions. Actually, without further ado, let us get to it quickly. Okay, firstly we have the BAK. The BAK file extension is actually a backup file extension. It is on the OS. If you find any file in your computer actually that have this file extension, that is anywhere of .bak, actually whenever you delete such file, trust me, you are not going to be able to actually back up your computer in times to come when you want to back it up. Actually, so it is actually good when you see this file, understand that this file extension is actually associated with a backup file. Okay, the next on the list here we're going to be looking at the .cab. The .cab, it is a window cabinet file. The window cabinet file here, each time if you don't know and then you delete it, trust me, the window going to start facing problem like your cabinet light. You're going to find it out, it will start displaying, and whenever the cabinet light is not being formed, this is an OS problem. It will cause a serious damage to the machine because this window cabinet is actually associated with the Windows OS. It is actually associated with the Windows OS. Any problem on it, trust me, your computer going to malfunction. Actually, your computer going to malfunction. Next to it here we have the .cfg. This is actually used for the configurations file in the Windows computer and I have Macs. Actually, if you have a Mac or a Windows computer, you will find out that this identical file extension here is actually for configurations. More at time people use it for painting a network or for assigning IP addresses to a network. The configuration file is actually associated with that on the OS. So if this file being damaged, trust me, you will find out that your computer will start to malfunction from those direction. Yeah. Next we have this file extension here, the .cpl. The .cpl here is actually associated with the Windows Control Panel file extension. The Windows Control Panel file extension. In the Windows Control Panel file extension, you find out that the Windows Control Panel comprises of different set of programs, like the system, like all programs and features, like your network, your Wi-Fi system. You find out a program actually there. You find the backup. How do you find a program that is associated with backing up of your window? So now, if this .cpl file that is stored within the Windows OS and mistakenly you having to damage this file or delete it or copy this file to another location, and actually it's not to be in that location, trust me, the Windows control panel will start malfunction. Probably you will not see certain features that are to be in a respective position in the Windows control panel. Next, we're going to be looking at this .cu arrow. This is for actually the window cursor, the cursor that you move along here, and at time you find the cursor can actually be blinking if you open a notepad or Microsoft Word document. You'll find the cursor blinking, and you will find the cursor blinking that is being used. Actually, the cursor brings out the right thing each time you type. You'll find the cursor blinking. That is the cursor actually. And whenever that file is being damaged, trust me, to have your computer keyboard being communicating correctly with the window cursor is not going to function properly. You start to think that the keyboard that you have on your computer is not working, or the external keyboard is not working. You will start to think that all of your keypads are freezing or something is actually going on. You'll find out that the cursor will not be blinking. The cursor will be still if such an error occurs. Okay, next we're going to be looking at this .drv. This is another file extension that is actually associated with this WindowMax. The driver file. This is a device driver file. Okay, the driver of an Windows or Mac computer is that drv. This file is a OS driver that within your computer. If this file damaged, then tell me, where are you heading? You will find out that your computer will start to face some bootable problems, and your computer will start to tell you that the Windows driver is not corresponding. So if the Windows driver is not corresponding, trust me, there's no other driver that actually going to work on that computer. Let's say for instance, if you want to connect a printer to that computer, you need a printer driver, and if the Windows driver is not actually, or the file extension of the Windows driver is being relocated to another place that it is not to be, whenever you connect that new driver to it, trust me, that driver is not going to function well, because it needs the Windows driver to actually connect it to your computer. So if the Windows driver file is damaged, trust me, you're gonna face a serious problem actually with that computer. Next, we're going to be looking at the ICO. This is for the icon. There's an icon file in both Windows and that of my computer. What you find out is that the icon file helps to display on the desktop a visual icon or a vivid icon that you and I can access quickly. Okay, so whenever the file is being misplaced or deleted from the computer, you find out that to find icon on the Windows desktop will be difficult. So these are some other problems that at times we face on our computer, and we carry to technician to actually help us to do, or someone that is around us that have knowledge on it. Or at times you just try to ask Windows to help you automatically do it by using the internet, and Windows is actually going to help you to replace those files in the rightful position by troubleshooting them. Okay, next we have here this file extension .xys. This file extension is actually Windows system file extension, and the entire Windows based system is in those files. Whenever this file is being tampered with, trust me, your Windows system is going to be tampered with. To find your Windows booting going to be difficult. So tampering with this file extension to me is highly dangerous for us to actually put our hands on. So the Windows file extension system file extension is actually good in the sense that it keeps our Windows system running. So whenever you tamper with it, trust me, your Windows system is not going to run properly. It's not going to run strictly. Good. We have this .msi, which happen to be the last but not the least. This file extension here is actually associated with the Windows installation packages. The Windows installation packages is actually on the OS when you are installing them. Those packages that come along. So if the packages is being tampered with, your window is not going to function well. One, if the packages have been deleted, okay, you have driver package, you have the window display packages. So at time, if for instance the driver package is being tampered with, trust me, the entire window driver is not going to function. One way it can be tampered with is by sending it to different location or deleting them. Good. That is just that for the MSI. And next year we are going to be looking at that LNK. This LNK file extension is actually for shortcut. It's actually for shortcut. It helps us. It works in line also with the that RCO, because it helps the window to create shortcut for the desktop. At times, most of the icons you find on most of the programs you run on your Windows computer or mouse computer, the desktop icon there is of a shortcut file. Yes, will usually be a shortcut. So if it comes in a shortcut file, the shortcut helps to make it vivid for you on the desktop so that you can be able to access it quickly. This is the last file extension. This is the number 10 file extension that we are going through, and this file extension could be mixing from your computer because you misplaced it while playing with it out of ignorance, and or you delete it, probably looking for space in your computer and you didn't know. So if that happens at time, you will install some programs on your computer and it will not give you any shortcut. You will have to access that program from the root. You have to access that program from the root. So this file extension helps us to not access all of our program from the root. It helps us to provide quick access to our files, to our programs, like creating them through a shortcut, either on the desktop or to our start menu where we found it. Okay, guys, thank you. This is the last file extension we have today, and hopes that you guys found this video educative. This is your own boy Dynasty Teto Shuraleff. Hope you guys found the video educative and you guys can subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.